Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit World. Can you see this LED light on this card? I am really excited to review this card right now because I would never thought that I would see a card in my lifetime which will have an LED light in it. I have no idea how they're going to power it, but soon we are going to have a credit card in our wallet with an LED in it, and I hope it's not gonna burst or it's not gonna blow up. But let's just move on with the rewards and the other thing that this card offers. This card is not available in the market right now. You have to join a waitlist in order to get this card. As soon as it will be available, they'll send you a link. You'll have to fill out that form in the link, and then you'll be able to get this card. So let's see that what this card is all about and who's offering this card. Of course, as you can see that this is a Razer logo. They are the people and they are the company who makes gaming accessories and super gaming computers and chairs and a lot of things, but it's mainly related to entertainment and gaming. And I'm pretty sure not just gamers, but besides gamers, a lot of people will definitely go for this card just because of this cool LED light. Yeah, this is 2020 for you. A lot of bad things are happening, and at the same time a lot of weird things are coming. So what sort of cashback and rewards that this card has? Let's talk about it. The first one, of course, this card offers 1% cashback in all of your purchases. That's actually something that a lot of financial institutions are offering nowadays. It has 5% cashback for Razer stores and Razer Gold purchases, and of course up to 10% cashback during the card beta. So it means if you get this card on the initial phase, on phase 1, because this card has 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So phase 1 has for the people who are going to try this card, so probably it's for the people who are gaming freaks or YouTube people who like to stream games, and YouTube reviewers and bloggers. They're going to send this card to them and they're going to have a 10% cash back. And then phase 2 and phase 3, of course, it's just the general and normal people like us. We will not able to get this 10% for sure, but you never know what's gonna happen. So there's no minimum spend and no cashback cap, not cash app cap. So so it means whatever the cashback will be, you're going to get it and it will not expire. You can use this card to do the online purchases. Let me just tell you right here, you can make online and in-store purchases. Of course, it's going to have a chip, so you can do this contactless payments. And of course, you can use the cool app that they're going to have, because of course they're the gaming freaks, so I'm pretty sure they're going to come up with a very sick app. As you can see, this is the card right in front of you. The standard card has no LED light, but the premium card will. So let's see what they mean by their premium card, because they have not revealed the complete information about this card yet. So right now they actually only want you to fill out the form and wait for the card to arrive. Alright, but the strange thing is you have to fill out the form, you'll get this card, but right now this card is only available in Singapore. As according to them, this card will be available by the first week of January in US. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a big success because of just this light. To be honest, this is really weird. So yeah, it's right now it's available in Singapore, and then on the first week of January, I believe it's going to be available for the people in US. And I'm pretty sure I am really excited about this card. Let me know in the comment below, what do you think about this card? I really like it. Probably I'm gonna have this card to show off to the people. Hey, see, I have a card with an LED. So let me know in the comment below, what do you think about it? But right after this video, I'm going to make another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card with no credit check and just a soft pull. So if you would like to know about that card and how to get it, then please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon, and then you will get notification when we upload that video for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure you're I'm pretty sure that you're really excited too. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.